So here what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and altercate this copper strap here that you originally had. It wasn't in this shape, but I straightened it out so then I can make it fit from this point here down to the top of the reed switch here. So I need to do some sort of elbow bend here to get it down here. We'll see if I can't get it first shot, huh? So that's getting there pretty close there. Pull that in a little bit. And that should be about right where I want to be. Matt to the rescue. I found it. Miles to the rescue. That's gonna go there, and that's gonna go there. So I'm having a little bit of issue there. So what I'm gonna do is step this out a little bit, and then give me a straighter bend there. A little bit of a kick there. Okay. I'm adding this asphalt loom here. Okay, we're trying again here with a new piece of asphalt loom there. I was fighting the last one. Okay, and it's a little long, so I'll trim off the excess here. So then, that's going to go up top there. So there it is. Now the copper strap is installed for the reed switch. You can bend it a little bit to keep it out of the way of the gas tank and keep it off the wall of the unit. Okay, now there's going to be one of these wires here that comes out the bottom of this stator here, and it's going to have a big lug on it and a big eyelet hole. That's going to be your positive. You're going to run that down through here and over to your positive lug. Just like so. So now all the basic wiring on the back side of the panel here is complete, including our low idle system, including the 4 wires that come out of the stator. Now we'll move on to these here in just a moment. Miles from BW Parts again here. We're gonna go ahead and show you where all these wires to the selector switch go today. So here, if you look at the block here, we have the furthest one out, closest to the motor, with the biggest eyelet is going to be your positive. So we're going to run that over here to the positive. Then the next one in line is going to be your 5th gear. I marked them prior to me pulling them off. Probably a good idea for you to do. So that's going to be 5th gear there. Then the next one down the line is going to be 4th gear. The next one down the line is going to be 3rd gear. Be better to go under. And then number 2, pretty self-explanatory when you mark them before you pull them off. And then first gear. Sound like we're shifting gears in a car.